Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export your Canva project to PowerPoint while keeping all the animations intact. Let's jump right in. First, open the Canva project you want to export. Then, head to the top right corner and click on the Share button. From the drop-down menu, choose Download. This is where you'll find all the export options. Now, under File Type, select PPTX. That's the Microsoft PowerPoint format. This will make sure your slides open directly in PowerPoint with animations preserved. You can also choose which pages to include or just leave it set to all pages. Once you're ready, click on Download. Canva will prepare the file for you. After the download finishes, locate the PPTX file on your computer and double-click to open it in PowerPoint. As you can see, the animations carry over smoothly. And that's all it takes to export your Canva design to PowerPoint with animations. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Canva tips.